how's it going? This is Gun Loco coming at you with another disassemble of another handgun. The one I'm going to be showing you right now, taking apart, is a Ruger sp101 357 snub nose. Ain't she a beauty? It's a nice looking gun. It is clear. There is nothing in the cylinder. I just finished cleaning it up. It feels good. Feels real good. Look at that spinning. Look how it spins. Ooh, nice and lubed up. So to take this apart, it's real easy. Here, let me give you a more close up of it. 357. Always got my bullets ready. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta remove the grip. This is the original grip. This is a new whole grip that I got. Gives it that better look. See? Cheap thing. But we need this because there's a special tool in here that we need to take this apart. This one is basically that flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and screw the top. There we go. Take that screw off. It's the first thing we take off. Put that right there. This comes right up. Slides right off. Not that difficult. Okay. Now on this here, we need a special tool because in the bottom right here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little hole right there that holds that spring. We need to hold that spring down and take this off. So let me show you how it's done. Let me take this off because there's a special tool in here. Don't have to use this. You can always use like an L wrench, small size L wrench. But since I still got this, the tool is in here. Look at that. That tool in there? That's what we need. Okay. Basically, I'll just pull it. So there's a nice looking hole right here. You can stick that in right there. I'll show you real quick. Pull it all the way. And you let go. See that? And this thing comes right off. Whoop. Comes right. Don't want it to come off because you get that spring off. Woo! You have a pain in the butt to put that spring back on. So that's the first step. Took that off. Cool. Now basically what you want to do is pull the trigger a little bit. Oh, not yet. Oops. I apologize. Oops, forgot about this. So you gotta push that in. Still a little beginner of this, just trying to know how to take it apart. Step by step process. There you go, look. Then this just comes right off. Loose. You want to pull on the trigger a little bit, and this thing comes right off. Like so. Put that at the side. That. Now, take the trigger off. You have to pull down on that part right there. Oh, you need to pull down on this part right here. So you basically have to get an L wrench from this side and pull that down. And that should pop right up. Prepare it. Put on the table a little bit. Oh. There we go. Comes right off. There's your trigger. Clean that up, scrub it. Don't have to be that much cleaning. I already cleaned this. It's pretty much clean. And basically the next step is to remove the cylinder. Pull that right off like that. It slides off that easily. Then you got this part right here which comes right off. That easy. So let's go ahead and put it back together real easily. I'll just lube this up a little bit. Put the cylinder back on this part right here. Test it up. Spins nice. There we go. This one slides right back in here. I don't know if you can see it. Or is it? Oh, there you go. This goes back right in there. There we go. Right now it's loose, it's not locking in. It's normal. Once you got that, you're going to put this back in there. You want to go with the, not like this first. Put this trigger down first. Put that in. Press it in. Make sure everything's lining up good. Clicks there nicely. If you have it nice lubed up, it slides right nicely, but if it's too dry, you'll have some trouble. Other than that, it should slide in right. Nice and easy. So you see, got that in. Now I gotta put the hammer back in. That drops in just like that. Now, if you look into here, see how it doesn't line up? You kind of have to like line it up. And it actually does it by itself if you pull the trigger. So get this ready. Pull the trigger a little bit in a downward position. Stick it in. Oh. And it slips right in. Boom, boom. And it's in there. Slides in like that. Locks that in. See, now it's all locked up. Cool. Then we're going to put this piece back inside. Down like that. Let that drop right in there. This goes in just like that. And then you're going to pull the trigger. Pull out that pin. Or it comes out by itself if you pull it. There you go. There it is. Double check that it works. It works nicely. Nice. Put this tool back where it belongs, where you lose it. Cap back on. Screw that in. Put it away for next time. Now we got this whole grip. Flipping up. Try to just swing in there real good. Sometimes if it doesn't want to go in there, so we gotta take it out again and reinsert it. Sometimes it wants to be a little bitch and not go in, but we'll figure it out right now. Oh, that's why. Sometimes I want to play nice. There you go. See that? Just struggle a little bit, but no problem. You get in there, just be patient and do things nice and slow. Put the bolt back in. Screw it in. Tighten it down, not too tight, but nice and snug. should be good enough. A little tighter. And that should be good. So once you got it all complete, there it is. Disassemble and reassemble in it back together again. No problem. I love this revolver though, it's real nice, it's real looking. Got a nice looking gun. And you get yourself a little t-shirt rag and wipe down all the excess oil. Get all the smears and fingerprints you leave on it from dangling with it. Give it a nice shiny look again. If you want to make this look shinier, there's this thing that I use to make it look shiny. And it's real simple. Because it wasn't this shiny one I got. It was like a dull dullness. Right now it's more shiny to it. But if you go to Walmart and pick this up, Mother's Mag and aluminum polish, run it on there for a couple times, and I mean the more you run it, the more shinier it's going to get. So there it is. Ruger sp101. Thanks for watching. We're here on test 2, 357. See how it shoots. It's 3, 4.